Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. This is one that I think it's been about a week since I've done it, but one that really, I'm sure I've said this before, but you could put this one right in a textbook, especially after this past week. I mean, this is the type of wave action you want to see. Higher lows and higher highs. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. And really, this squiggly line here pretty much sums up the chart. And I guess I could end the video right here because that's really sums it up in terms of higher lows and higher highs. I mean, that's what we want. That's the name of the game. But I'll get a little more detailed than that. What I want to do is just map out some supports and resistances of the kind of shorter term movement here that we've seen since the last time I've done it. But just understand that the overall chart is definitely in the bull's hands. If you need reinforcement on that, all you have to do is really look down here at the two overall trend indicators, the 50-day simple moving average here, the 200-day simple moving average. You can see both are sloping upwards. So again, overall context, definitely in the bull's side of things. So this past week, though, nice to see the chart go up to new highs right there. And what else also kind of jumped out is we seem to have found a new kind of stubborn level of support. Obviously, that's a good level of support, but right here at 11 cents, I guess if you want to be exact, you could call it 0.112. But you can see here, I'll change this to green to represent support here, that after the price, so obviously, like I said, resistance right there, price broke above it, dropped below it, and then now that the price is back above it, you can see it's back tested twice now in the matter of 1 week. And both times the bears have tried to push down below here, the bulls have said, you know what, that's enough, no more, and it's held strong as support. So 11 cents seems to be kind of one of those newly developed here support levels that's really kind of making its presence felt now, given its price history on the chart. So 11 cents, not a must hold or anything like that, because you have all these other support levels below you, but one that just kind of caught my eye as making a name for itself this past week. In terms of resistance levels, for whatever reason, this level right here, which is essentially where it closed at, 13.5 cents, is being a pretty stubborn level of resistance in the short term, at least. I just say that because you can see basically this whole week the price has been right up around this area. Hasn't hit 13 cents exactly, but you get the point, right up in that zone. Obviously this day here did break above it, but by the time the closing bell came around, it was closed back below it. So 13 cents is going to be that little short-term kind of stubborn level of resistance. But as you can see with the history of the chart, the resistance levels, they may act as resistance for a few times, but then the bulls, put in that higher low and then eventually bust through it. So, it's not like you should panic about 13 cent level up here, just an observation that it is the current level of resistance looking here at the price action. But all in all, great looking chart. And I started it like this, I'm going to end it like this. This sums up the chart right there, higher lows and higher highs. So that's really all I can say. That's what it's all about. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to click below if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader. Our course has been getting great reviews, over 8.5 hours of education and information. It's available in instant download format, so if you want, you could get started right away on it. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening.